Hello everyone. In the previous video we have studied about the Indus drainage system and the introduction of Ganga drainage system. Today we will study in detail about its all the tributaries of Ganga drainage system. The major or the most important one is Yamuna. Yamuna is the westernmost and longest tributary of Ganga, as its source in Yamunotri Glacier on the western slope of Bandarpuch range. It joins the Ganga at Allahabad or Prayagraj. It is joined by the Chambal, Sindh, Betwa and Ken on its right bank, which originates from the peninsular plateau. That is, they mostly originate from the Madhya Pradesh, while the Hindan, Rind and Sengar and Varuna join its on left bank. Much of its water feed the western eastern Yamuna and Agra canal for irrigation purposes. So the next is Chambal. So Chambal rises near Moho in Malwa plateau of Madhya Pradesh and flows northwards where the Gandhi Sagar Dam has been constructed from Kota. It traverses through Bundi, Swai Madhopur, Dholpur. All three districts are of part of Rajasthan, and then it finally joins the Yamuna. The next is Gandak. So it comprises of two streams, that is Kali Gandak and Trishula Ganga. It rises in Nepal Himalayas between Dholagiri and Mount Everest and drains the central part of Nepal. And it enters Ganga plain in Champaran district of Bihar and joins the Ganga at Sonpur. So next is Ghagra. It also originates from the Nepal Himalayas, that is glacier of Mepcha Chungo. After collecting the water from different tributaries, that is Tila, Seti and Beri, it comes out of the mountain, and the river Sardar or Kali Ganga join it in the plain before it finally meets the Ganga at Chhapra. Chhapra is also in Bihar. So you must be familiar with the words Kali River. So Kali River is the boundary between India and Nepal. It flows through Pithoragarh district of our Uttarakhand state. So the next is Kosi. Kosi is an antecedent river, means it is ancient river which is source to the north of Mount Everest in Tibet and in Greater Himalayas, where its main stream Arun rises. So after crossing the central Himalayas in Nepal, it joins the Son Kosi from the west and Tamur Kosi from the east. It forms Sapt Kosi after uniting the river Arun. So in the previous video I told you about that Kosi is also known as Sorrow of Bihar. Because of this river, flood occurs in the state of Bihar. So the next is Ram Ganga. It originates from the Gadwali hills near Garrison. Garrison is also in Uttarakhand. It changes its course in the southern west direction after crossing Shivalik hills and enter into the plain of Uttar Pradesh near Najibabad, nearby Haridwar. There, after entering the UP plain, it joined the Ganga near Kannauj. And the next is Damodar. Damodar is known as Sorrow of Bengal, and Sorrow of Bihar is Kosi. So it flows through valley and joins the Hooghly, and Barakar is its main tributary. Damodar Valley project has been made on the river Damodar. Next is Sarda or Saryu river. It rises in the Milam glacier in Nepal Himalayas, where it is known as Goringanga. Along Indo-Nepal border, it is called Kali and Chok. Saryu river is the Kali river, and Saryu and Sarda are the Kali river, which I told you about, that the boundary between India and Nepal. It's joined Ghagra. The next is Mahananda. It is an important tributary of Ganga, rises in Darjeeling Hills. It joins the Ganga at its left bank tributary of West Bengal. The Son is large south bank tributary of Ganga, originating in Amarkantak Hill. Amarkantak Hills in Madhya Pradesh, where Narmada river also originates. The next we will study is Brahmaputra drainage system. So Brahmaputra is one of the largest river of the world. It has its origin in Chimayungdung glacier of Kailas range near Mansarovar Lake. So Indus is also originate from the western side of Mansarovar Lake, whereas Brahmaputra originate on eastern side of Mansarovar Lake. So here it flows through eastward or long direction, nearly 1200 km in flat region of Tibet. In Tibet it is known as Sangpo. Sangpo means the purifier or the pure. So Sangpo is made, Rango Sangpo is made a tributary of the Brahmaputra river in Tibet, and in Himalayas it's cut through a deep gorge near Namcha Barwa. The river emerges from foothill under the name of Diang. In India, the river and some of its left bank tributary, that is Dibang, Lohit and Sikang, they combinedly join and then they form the river Brahmaputra. So during this 750 kilometer stretch, so Brahmaputra have many long major tributary on its left bank in India, and the river enter in Bangladesh near Dhubri. After entering in Bangladesh, it is known as Jamuna, and it finally merged with river Padma, that is Ganga river, which is known as Padma in Bangladesh. So Brahmaputra is known as Jamuna in Bangladesh, and river Ganga is known as Padma. So these both rivers finally merges, and then they fall in the Bay of Bengal. So they have heavy rainfall area and catchment area, and Sundarban Delta is also world largest delta is present due to this river's catchment area. So children, you have to study each and every tributary of these rivers, and where they originates, and what are its left bank tributary, what are its right bank tributary, in which districts or in which state they flows, and the sorrow of Bengal, sorrow of Bihar. You have to remember each and every term, and you have to write down these terms. So thank you, children.